Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check iPhone battery cycle count. So first of all, go ahead to your settings. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the general and then I'm going to go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to the main settings and go back to your screen and then go ahead to your browser. And basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here to the settings and then battery and then battery health, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to your screen. It says right here with iPhone 15 models in iOS 17.4 later you can see your battery health. When your battery was manufactured, when it was first used, the cycle count, and if battery replacement is recommended. So I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to the settings, and then I'm gonna go ahead to the battery, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and click the battery health right here, and you're gonna be able to see the maximum capacity in the cycle count of your battery. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.